Here I have BYD, and let me show you how to change the time and date settings in BYD Infotainment system. So if you would like to adjust the time and settings, all you need to do is find the settings icon. As you can see, this is the gear icon. Then on the left side, let's use the system. From system, select general. And as you can see here, you've got access to the time management. So here you can use the automatic time synchronization. If you disable the automatic time synchronization, you can choose manually time and time zone. You can also change the time format from 24-hour to 12-hour format. And if you would like to bring back the default settings with the automatic time synchronization, let's just use this switcher. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.